It's the 27th of September. No, October, sorry. Gets bloody months mixed up. I'm feeding me bees in the open air, as you can see. There I am, right near them. They're beautiful. Look, they won't touch my face. There's thousands of them. They're getting the food for their hive, which is brilliant, isn't it? They fly back to the hive that way. They're beautiful. Yeah. Eat. Loads and loads of food. Oh, landing on me. Look. On the hands. Thousands of bees. All working hard. I'll go to where the hives are now, where they're taking the food back to. But that's how I feed them. I'll give them, I think that one got me in the bloody end of the tongue. Nice. Anyway. That's one of them things though, you do get stung. One stung me on the tongue, well, on the lip. This is going to the apiary where all the bees are. They're working well. That's where they go to in there. They're coming from where I've just been feeding them with that sugar to here. And going straight into their hives to feed the queen, just to stimulate her a little bit more to lay the last lot of eggs for the winter. But as you can see, they're doing well. And there they're doing well, they're coming in 8. And there, the other hives. Got another little hive in the corner here, they're doing well, as you can see. In and 8 like little rangers, aren't they? Beautiful. Pollen's growing on their legs, lovely day. Let's hope we get some more days like it. They can feed. There's the other hive there, they're going in through the bottom. I'm pleased with them. But them, they're doing well. Pollen on their legs, you see the pollen? That's coming off the ivy. And there's a few daisies about still, bit of thistle. They're doing well. Pollen's on their legs, yeah. They're doing well, very well. They're doing well, all of them. All my bees, plenty of pollen, plenty of nectar. That's watching the bees from a side angle. Well, there's queen in there, she's about 2 years old. queen is occupying this hive. She's 2-year-old, she is. But that's that queen in the bottom, from the mother to the queen in the bottom, what they're sitting on top of. That's their daughter. Our daughter who's in here. That's her daughter underneath. They're very active, aren't they? Very active. There's another one there. Plenty of bees going on it off. Loads of pollen. One there. But you think, but I say, I'm right near these bees. There you go, look. I'm right there. And I mean, that one, he must have bumped into my face when he stung me in the lip. But they're really good bees, these are. They go on my hands. Plenty of pollen going in there. As busy as you like though. I'm well pleased with them. I've got plenty of bees, as you can see. Loads of bees. Stacks of them. They're all my hives there. 10. I've got more hives here. More hives there. The bees in. All them's got bees in. I've got other hives there with bees in. I've got bees in those hives. I'm going back to the feeding station there where they're feeding from and taking the food back to their hives. There's loads of it here. What I'll do is, there's a big hornet there. You see that hornet? Big large wasps, which I'm going to squash, hopefully. Yeah, I've got it. Yeah, I've got it. There it is. Oh no, it ain't. No, it ain't. It's big. It's horrible. This is what I'll do. I undo this, and I'll tips the candy into there, and the bees get it. Or I'll tips that here. Well, that's what I'll do. Oh God, go away. Come on, 8. Go on. Gotta watch out with these, they're trying to smell it. Close them out. Them bees make their way back to them hives I just show you, and make their way all the way back. Well, look, there's my hand now. Oh, right near the bees. Yeah. Right, that's enough. What I showed you. I'm pleased with them. Well, that's the end now. It was a short video. So that's it.